Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to find all the posts you've liked on Instagram using your PC, you're in the right place. With Instagram's latest update, the process is easier than ever, and today I'll walk you through each step so you can quickly access your entire liked posts history right from your browser. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Instagram.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. You'll notice the familiar Instagram layout, but with a few new features thanks to the recent update. Next, take a look at the menu on the left side of your screen. Here, you'll see several options like Home, Search, Explore, and more. What you want to do is click on the option labeled Menu. This will open up a list of additional settings and features. From the menu, find and select your activity. This section is where Instagram organizes everything related to your account activity, making it much easier to manage your interactions and data. Inside your activity, look for the Interactions section. Under this section, you'll see an option called Likes. Go ahead and click on Likes. Instantly, Instagram will display a list of all the posts you've liked, organized in reverse chronological order. Now, you can scroll through your liked posts and revisit any content that caught your eye in the past. Whether you're searching for a specific photo, a funny video, or just want to relive your favorite moments, everything is right there at your fingertips. That's it. With just a few clicks, you can now view your entire liked post history on Instagram using your PC. No more endless scrolling or guesswork. This update makes it simple to keep track of the content you love. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.